Hello everyone, welcome to Learning from Home channel. Now in this video, we're going to talk about how to protect file. Now in order to protect file, you must go to the file tab. But the first thing is, so why do you have to protect file? Now when you protect workbook, people can open your file or the sheet here and they can view everything over here, just that they can't edit, delete or add new worksheet. But when you protect the file, the person may require to enter password before the file even opens. So therefore, no one can even read and decide to add or edit this. Okay, so you must protect the file when you don't want anybody to open the file as well or the sheet as well to view whatever thing that the sheet entails. So how can you do that? In order to do that, click on the file tab. Now go to protect file or password. So protect file or password. So click on that now. Type in your password. Okay, now click on OK. So the same password, type it again. Now it is cautioning you that if you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. Okay, so it is advisable to keep a list of passwords in their corresponding workbook and sheet names in a safe place. Remember that passwords are case sensitive as well. So when typing, when you bring capital letters and lower cases together, you must, when typing the same password, you must type the same thing as you typed in the first place, else it's not going to open it for you. So when typing, be careful. Take note of the password that you put in before you type in the password. Now when done, click on OK. So re-enter the password again, now re-enter it again and click on now OK. So done. Now the file is protected. So let's save this file. Click on the save. Now let's close this file. So when you close the file, you see now the file, this is the file. You see there's a lock sign on the file. Okay, so now let's try to open this. Let's double click and it asks you, learning from home, that's the file name is protected. Now type in the password. So it's type in the password and okay, it asks you confirm. So type in the same password again. Now the file is now open. So if you want to take off the password, how can you do that? The same place, go to the same file, now password, or go to protect file. Now when done, clear the password or clear them and click on OK. Now save the file, click on file and go to save. Now when done, close it. Now you see now there is no lock sign on the file. Okay, so now it means the file is not protected. So that is a way to protect file and unprotect the file as well. So that is it for today's video, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.